Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. YZ250 FX to be turned into 270 FX with a Hotcam stage 2. Let's take it on this trail, see how it feels. Those whoops are fun. Okay, so right off the bat, without riding too much on this bike, it feels, it hits a little harder. It has better bottom and just a little more powerful hit, little more throttle response. It just feels like a little bigger, which actually it is, right? 270. I feel like I can be a little more aggressive. The bike responds better to the throttle. I can take these jumps. Whoop. Alright guys, let's take this uphill. It was on the second gear, no clutch before, but when this was 250. I want to try to be in a third gear, no clutch this time, see how it goes. So currently I'm in a third gear. So far so good. Wow. Now this is incredible guys. Third gear, no clutch. This thing didn't die. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. Look at that. I made it all in third gear. That's amazing guys. Some of those sections were technical. I had to go a little slower. But this thing just locked in the third gear. Didn't die. I didn't touch the clutch. Really impressed. This is my favorite flowy section here. Yeah, I stayed in the third gear. Pulls nice, like pretty much idling now. Let me go on the gas. That's third gear. That's really good for a small engine. You can feel the 20cc extra, and I believe the cams are helping as well. Power is right there when you need it. Just go on the gas and it gets that nice aggressive sound. You need to do a little wheelie or a little jump, you just hit the throttle. Alright my friends, so you saw that, right? The bike is so much better than before. I was in a third gear going up the steep hill in a kind of difficult section, zero clutch, and this bike pulled it up in a third gear, even though I was just lagging up close to idle RPM sometimes, and it made it no problem. Plus, it, you know, the power in the mid-range in the third gear is so much fun. Not only in the third gear, but most of the time I was in that gear. So when you come from the curve, from the corner, and you see there is something you need to wheelie over, just give it a blip, and you wheelie over that. Or there is a little hop where you can jump, another blip, and you launch to the air, and you can fly a little bit there. So became a little more fun. The bike became a little more fun. It has more power everywhere, and all that power is usable. Like the bottom, mid, that's all what I usually ride on bikes like this. That's what I usually need. So definitely big bore 270 and Hotcam stage 2 did a big difference, made this bike better. Let me guys know below in the comments if you can hear the difference, if you can see the difference, and as always, let me know how you like the video, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.